Do you worry about unexpected repair costs on your beloved home on wheels? Well, fear not, because today we're going to share with you 5 simple things you guys could be doing to save potentially thousands of dollars in repair bills and certainly going to save your sanity. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here and just stumbled upon us, congratulations. You found yourself a channel full of RV tips, camping adventures, and campground reviews full of tons of useful information. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest RV info and camping tips. You certainly don't want to miss it. That's enough gibberish. Let's just jump right into it. Number 1, when you guys are about to hit those hiking trails, or maybe you just got to run into town for a minute and you're going to leave your RV, be sure to turn off your water supply. Now picture this, guys. Maybe you're out on the lake doing some fishing, or you got up early to conquer that 6-mile hike, and then suddenly, there's a leak inside one of your water pipes. And with it left on, guess what, guys? There's nothing to stop it from flooding the inside. Water everywhere, damage galore, and a repair bill that could make your eyes water more than the leak itself. And turning off the supply before you guys head out is the only way to stop the flow. I mean, who needs an indoor pool inside their rig? Now, we've seen this mistake made firsthand on a $50,000 brand new unit, and it was absolutely totaled out. Number 2, protect your awning. A gust of wind could come by 50 miles an hour and turn this thing into a high-flying kite, and let me tell you firsthand, that's no fun to come back to after a day of exploring. Go ahead and grab your stakes or your tie-downs and secure this bad boy like it's the last piece of pizza at a party. When the weather turns nasty, don't leave your awning out here to battle the elements alone. Drop one side down to let all the water drain off, and certainly don't rely on those auto dump systems. All sorts of weight has to build up on top of this awning, putting strain on all the arms and legs from this thing. When it dumps 50 gallons of water on your site, what a muddy mess. Number 3, keep your eye on the sky. Mother Nature is a prankster, and you never know when she's about to throw a temper tantrum. So close your roof vents tighter than a jar of pickles, and make sure all your windows are shut as well. A sudden downpour will certainly turn your RV into a soggy mess inside. And don't forget about all your camping gear on the outside. Tie down your easy-ups, put away your chairs and your tables. I'm talking anything that can turn into a projectile missile in the wrath of a storm. Trust me, it's all fun and game until your barbecue grill ends up over at the neighbor's. Number 4, lock up your stuff when you leave. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who in the world would want to try to steal my camping gear or get inside my RV? Well, unfortunately, there's some shady characters out here just waiting for the perfect opportunity to cause a little bit of chaos. That's right, from crafty raccoons waiting to steal your snacks or shady characters walking by ready to steal your stuff. Unfortunately, the campground can be a hotland for mischief. A locked door is like a giant keep out sign for what would be intruders. Don't make it easy for them to waltz right in and steal your s'mores. And always don't forget to lock up your valuables outside. From your e-bikes or your e-scooters to your favorite camping chair, your grill, or maybe even your favorite camping sign, make sure you're locking up your valuables before you hit the road and go out exploring. Number 5, put out your campfire before leaving on an adventure. Now, I get it. We all know the importance of a good campfire, but what happens when you step out for a quick hike or even call it a night and hit the sheets? Never leave your campfire unattended. A log could pop and throw an amber up on the roof or maybe the awning. Or maybe you'll come back to realize you left your camping chairs a little too close to the fire, and where are you sitting tonight? Next time you guys head out before an adventure, a couple splashes of water or a handful of dirt are going to prevent you from explaining to the forest ranger on why you got a raging inferno going on behind you. With these 5 simple, easy steps in mind, it's a cheap insurance policy to make sure while you're out exploring the campground, you're not coming home to a catastrophe. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we will catch you next week.